Welcome. In front of me is a Nothing Phone 4a Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen. If you have the separation between toggles and notifications, then do it from the right side, and this will show you toggles. Now in here, obviously we're looking for the Do Not Disturb mode, which typically looks like a moon icon, but okay, and here that's how it looks like. Unfortunately, there is no labels for these, so you just have to look for it based on how it looks like. Now, if you don't see this anywhere, what you can do is click right here on this pencil and then find it somewhere below right here. So once you find it in here, you will be able to add it, so you can just click on it and you can see it would get added, or like so. When you go back, it stays in this list. So once you have it added here, first time around, I recommend holding it. This will then give you some options like Do Not Disturb mode, bedtime driving, and create your own. So there's a little bit of usability to this. I'm going to start off with the actual Do Not Disturb mode, and later on I'm going to move on to the create like own ones, as these could also, or these are in a way also Do Not Disturb modes. So anyway, let's start off with the normal one. When you select it, and here you can choose people, so you can select who will be able to call you or message you, and you have options for things like favorite contacts, all the contacts, priority, which is basically like favorite ones, anyone or no one, and calls has the same options with addition of allow repeated calls. So if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, as they will bypass whatever you have selected right here, and it's a great option in case of emergencies. Now if we go back, next thing we have is notifications from applications. So let's see what kind of apps, selected apps. So we have Google Play services can give us notifications. How about go pick yourself and know your place. And this too, Bon Voyage. It's supposed to be a Do Not Disturb mode, not disturb me at if it's Google. There we go. So now we get rid of all the garbage applications that would be, or services in this case, that would be notifying us about trash that we don't care. Next we have alarms and other interruptions, so you can go over this. And moving on, we have things like display settings. So in here you can add certain additions to the Do Not Disturb mode, like for instance dim the wallpaper, grayscale, so your entire phone becomes kind of black and white, enable dark theme, and so on. So these are just additions. And lastly we have duration for quick settings, which I love to see here. This defines what happens when you manually turn it on. So just to demonstrate it before I change this, when you typically interact with this toggle to enable it, click on it, it's on, right? So you move on, but this way, this Do Not Disturb mode is now running permanently in the background. So you will need to remember to go in here and turn it off. If you forget about this, it's just going to continue to run and run till you remember. So what you can do instead is, in the duration for quick settings, you can define what happens, and you can change it, for instance, to a timer right here. So whatever time you want, maybe 4 hours. Anytime from now on, if I confirm this, when I tap on it manually, it's going to run for 4 hours, at which point it will turn itself off even when I forget about it. Or you can have it ask you every time. So now if I were to tap on it again, it gives me these two options every single time, and I can adjust the time every time I try to turn it on. So let's go back. So as you've seen, this is just a normal one, and you can turn it on and off at will. But the other ones in here, like the create your own, this runs a little bit differently, so it will add additional options in here. So let's create one. We can name it maybe whatever, doesn't really matter. Next, choose whatever icon you want for it. I'm gonna select the moon. And now what you can do is set up a schedule. So you can choose a specific time to start and end, and then days of the week. They're all turned on, so if I disable them, that would be Some of them now Saturday and Sunday off. And additionally, you have the same things like people, so you can select who can call you and message you, applications, alarms, and other interruptions. But there is one thing missing, which is the duration for quick settings, because this is primarily designed for schedule usage. And whenever you set it up, it automatically becomes enabled in here. And let's see, when we go back, you can see it's on right here, and also on right now, because it is between the 9:30 a.m. and 5 p.m. So there we go. That's how we can set up a custom one with basically timer as a schedule. And on top of that, you can turn it on and off from here as well, the same way you can the normal do not disturb mode. So there we go. In any case, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.